Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by powering down and disconnecting the headset, safety first. Once done, set it on a soft surface and remove the visible 2 to 4 screws holding the strap module. You'll need a small Phillips or Torx depending on your model. Next, unclip the plastic tabs gently. Use a pry tool to avoid cracking. As you expose the strap, mark cable routes and anchor points with tape so you know how the original ran. This prevents reassembly guesses. Now you'll remove the internal pieces. First, press the retention latches and disconnect any ribbon cables. Work slowly so connectors don't bend. Then remove foam pads and unthread elastic bands from their anchor loops, keeping screws and small parts organized in a tray. Once the old strap assembly is free, compare it to the replacement and transfer any mounts or screws that aren't included. Make sure the new strap's orientation matches the model. Install the replacement by routing cables exactly as you marked and reconnecting the ribbon cables until latches click. Seat the strap assembly and hand start screws, then tighten evenly to the correct snugness. Avoid over-tightening, which can crack plastic. Replace foam pads and anchors in their original positions. Power on and test fit and tracking. Put the headset on, move your head, and confirm sensors respond. If you notice slippage or poor tracking, recheck cable seating and screw torque. That single loose connector is the usual culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.